Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to make a simple tuna spaghetti, a perfect meal for your lazy weekday. So let's get cooking. So first things first, before anything else, let's boil some water for our pasta. We are going to put a little bit of salt. Let's wait for it to boil and we can cook the pasta. So while my water is boiling for my pasta, I will walk you through with my ingredients. I have a canned tuna here, 2 cans of tuna. I have a capers. I've minced some garlic and chopped some, I deseeded some chilies as well. A good olive oil, a peeled tomatoes. I have a rucola and zucchini and anchovies. My water is already boiling, so we're gonna cook the pasta, and while the pasta is cooking, we're also gonna make our sauce. So I'm gonna drop in the pasta now. This is a recipe. This recipe is for 2 person. You can always adjust it to 2, 3, 4. But this is roughly around 150 grams of pasta. So my pasta is cooking now. So we're gonna go ahead and make our sauce. So I have an anchovy fillet here. I'm gonna use maybe 3, 4, and roughly chop it. Put our olive oil in. Garlic in. Our chili. And the anchovies. So we're gonna cook this for 3 minutes until the anchovies is dissolved. So while this is cooking, so we're gonna chop our zucchini to small pieces. You are wondering why my pan is like a paella pan. Actually, this is a paella pan, but I like to cook my pasta on this pan because I like to have some room for my sauce and the spaghetti. So now this has been cooking. We're gonna go ahead and put in the capers. So I've roughly chopped some black olives. So I will put the zucchini. We are going to saute the zucchini for roughly 5 to 6 minutes to get some caramelized going on, to get some color. So this has been cooking now. So after, we are going to put our peeled tomatoes. So I'm going to get some pasta water. Guys, this is a liquid gold. So just to soften the sauce, and it's not too thick. Yes. And now we're going to put our tuna. Please, we put the tuna on the last moment, so you still have a little bit bite of the tuna. Yes, that's it. I think my pasta is already cooked. A little bit of taste. That's good. That's perfect. Tuna is al dente. Tuna. My pasta is cook. Yeah, perfect. So we're gonna drain the pasta. I love this thing because I'm able to just remove the pasta from the pasta water. And here you go. Let's taste a little bit to see if the seasoning is good. Just a little bit of pepper. That's it, guys. It's cooked, so it's time to plate up. Guys, there you go. So let's start to plate up. Guys, this is such an easy meal to make. Everything is already in your cupboard, and if you have like leftover vegetables, there you go. And I have some Parmesan cheese, and I will add some rucola on top for a bit of greens on it. And yes, let's dig in and taste it. Even if it's pasta, for me it's still light. It's not too heavy. Have the zucchini, have some vegetables. So guys, for more recipes, please check www.seskitchen.com. Please don't forget to subscribe and visit all my social media for more updates and recipe. Till next time, bye! Today I am going to show you how to make a simple tuna spaghetti, a perfect meal for your lazy weekday. So let's get cooking.
Very good. Best one so far.